In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. To do this, press on crypto on the bottom menu, then press trade on the left. Here you can select Bitcoin if that's what you want to buy, or alternatively, you can scroll through the list to see which other cryptos are available or search for a specific one at the top. Once you've found the crypto you want to buy, you can press the buy button. Here you can key an amount of crypto that you want to buy. I'm going to buy £10 worth. Once you're happy with this, you can press review order, where you can see any fees involved with this and how much Bitcoin or crypto you will receive. If it's your first time buying crypto on Revolut, you may need to supply some KYC information, which stands for Know Your Customer, and it is to prove you are who you say you are and that you are not a criminal. Once you've answered all these questions, you should be able to proceed with buying. Once you've reviewed your order, you can just process that, and now you will see your crypto on your account. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. Now that you've bought crypto, it's worth knowing how to sell crypto on Revolut, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.